In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an announcement bar in the Shopify Online Store 2.0. This quick guide will help you easily customize your store's announcement bar to better communicate with your customers. A well-tuned announcement bar can be a great tool to share important information, like promotions, shipping updates, or any other messages you'd like to highlight on your store. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to My Store on the Shopify dashboard. Once there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Online Store. This is your hub for most of the customizing you'll do on your Shopify site, so it's good to get comfortable navigating this area. Next, you'll want to click on Customize. By clicking on Customize, you'll enter the Theme Editor area where you can make various adjustments to your store's layout and design. This click takes you to an interface where you can edit various parts of your store's theme, including the announcement bar. Once you've opened the theme editor, find the announcement bar section. This can typically be found in the editor's navigation panel. Seeing this might make you wonder about the possibilities of what you could say to your customers when they first land on your page. It's a great opportunity to engage them right from the start. Click on the announcement bar to open up the editing options for it. Sometimes this can be hidden under Header or directly as an option depending on your theme setup, so it just requires a bit of searching. After you've clicked on the announcement bar, dive into the Utilities section. The Utilities tab helps you manage settings that affect various theme functionalities, including colors, fonts, and often smaller section-specific features too. It's about setting up the bones of your website style so that everything looks cohesive. Now, look for Theme Settings within the Utilities area. By clicking here, you'll access the deeper settings you can edit for your Shopify theme. This is where you'll find tons of customization options that allow you to tailor your online store just the way you want. Within the theme settings, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Here is where all the styling magic happens. If you have some coding skills or you've got a snippet of CSS code you're looking to integrate, this is where you do it. Adding or adjusting CSS here allows for advanced customization, giving you control over the look and feel of the announcement bar and its position on the page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to customize the announcement bar on your Shopify Online Store 2.0, making it a functional, engaging part of your website. Remember, good communication through your announcement bar can greatly enhance the user experience and potentially boost sales by drawing attention to important updates or promotions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.